Get your paykel beeping every time you open the door. It's beeped about 20 times. And just looking up online, it said pretty much just inspect the wiring on the door, which this is good. I believe this is just for the dispenser. This over here was good as well on the left side. I didn't see anything disconnected or anything. And over here, the mullion. All the wiring was good. Plugged it back in, beeping went away. So I'm just assuming something was pinched or not secure in the connections. Now I've came across this problem a few times before, and I've never had a problem with the harness up here or on here. Sometimes this does leak and mess up that board, which does disrupt the actual dispenser itself. But from previous times running across this problem, it's always been a wiring issue with the wiring actually broken right there. But in this case, the wiring is good on all sides. Possibly it was just pinched, but as of right now, the unit is working.